meters you can do this, but this one can like cut automatically with any controller. And you can still fly it with the controller. The controller is the same as me too. So I think it might be like a little bit better option. And it's also cheaper.
Today I bought a lot of goodies from DJI World Square. I've been waiting for this Action 5 Pro for 2 months. I think DJI has done more in 5 generations than GoPro has in 13 generations. This is the Adventure combo, which comes with the battery pack and extension rod. It says open here. Why is it so difficult? I think I have to remove the plastic cover first. Put the green tip here. Two boxes. On the left hand side is the Action 5. On the right hand side must be the battery pack. .5 meter extension rod. That's the camera. Now this is the camera. That's the cage. It's actually smaller than I thought. Tiny. The build quality is actually quite good. Wow. Look at that. So beautiful. So this year the sensor is the same size, 1/1.3 inches, but it can support 13.5 stops of high dynamic range. The chip is also upgraded to 4 nanometer, so it's more powerful and more efficient. So this thing basically doesn't overheat at all. Here's the power button. What's going on? I guess there's no battery. How do I open this thing? Oh, this is the USB-C port. Oh, it doesn't have the battery. That's the battery case with 3 batteries, I think. Some more accessories. The battery case is actually also smaller than I expected. Mm. 3 batteries. Let's turn it on. It says I have to scan the QR code to download the DJI Mimo app and connect to the camera to activate it. I don't like that idea, forcing people to register the application. Let's have a look at the rest of the stuff. The USB-C PD cable. That's the adapter mount. Like that. That's the cage and some screws, I believe. With this cage, you can put it in vertical shooting mode. This is a mini version of the adapter. Screws for the adapters, extension rod. I don't need this one, but it comes with the adventure combo. It's quite nice, very solid, not wobbly at all. 1.5 meters. Wow. What else? I bought this mini extension rod because it can be used as a tripod. About 42 centimeters. Good length for vlogging. And you can use it as a tripod. This one is a bit too pricey, like $69. What else? The suction cup mount. I can use this one to put the action cam on the windscreen of my car. What else? A carry bag for everything. There are two zips here. This is the front one. It doesn't open much. It's big. You can put your camera here, the extension rod here, battery case here. Lots of space here. Very nice. Premium quality. Love it. Oh, one more thing. I got a 3-arm suction cup mount. This is not from DJI, but from PGY Tech. I think this is designed to be used outside the car on the panels so it doesn't fall off. Now that we have perfect image quality, we also need perfect audio quality. That's why I bought this one, DJI Mark II, to pair with the action cam. And when you pair it with that one, you don't even need to use the receiver. You can just use the transmitters. So you don't have to mount this receiver on top of it. That's much better than GoPro. It comes with a nice pouch. Very nice build quality. A little bit heavy. Wow, looks nice. Oops. It's actually very small. This is, it feels heavier than Rode wireless microphone. USB-A to USB-C cable, 3.5mm audio jack, windshield, another one. I also got a DJI lavalier mic. It's not cheap, but I got free 1-year DJI care. I guess I need to download the app and activate this thing. It's smaller than the GoPro in size, but it is more powerful. I think it's time to short GoPro stocks. What do you think?